Hello guys, how you guys doing? I'm Thales and we're back with another how-to slice. In today's video, we're going to be checking out some beautiful animal skeletons. So let's start. So I just opened up the skull rabbit model in Prusa. So this is kind of a creepy model. It's articulated, and today in this video, we're going to be seeing the best settings to print the model. As you can see, this is a print in place model and will not need assemble. So this is a model that's optimized for printing, so it will not need support. But let me show you some good configurations to make sure you print this model perfectly fine. So let's go. So going to layers and perimeters, we're gonna reduce this to 0.16 millimeters. So we got a high definition of the model. Right here in 3 perimeters, it's fine. You can reduce to 2 if you want to reduce the filament usage, but let's leave it at 3. In the infill and going to infill density, we're going to be increasing to 15%. And we're going to choose the fill pattern to gyroid. So gyroid is a really nice infill because it prints the infill in waves. Your 3D printer never goes on a straight line. That's really better to not mess up, and it reduces the chance of risks. So we're sticking with gyroid and not like a grid pattern that we're used to seeing in other prints. This is a model that does not need any brim. You can put brim because sometimes the small arms of the rabbit can come loose, but I would recommend for you to wash the print plate before printing so you get a good bed adhesion. You can print with brim, but sometimes it leaves sharp edges that are hard to remove. So make sure you try out first. Clean your bed plate with dish soap, alcohol, or any of that. That will make sure you got a good bed adhesion. Going to support material, we do not need any support. So let's untoggle this. And as we can see, the speed, it's recommended for you to print with a slower speed, but the first layer right here, selected 20%. That's perfectly fine. You can reduce the printing speeds to 50. Sometimes it's recommended, but if you got a good calibration in your 3D printer, the speed that your printer prints, it's totally fine. So going back to the model, it's ready to print. So let's slice. So the model is ready to print. As you can see, it's got a decent adhesion. It will stick to the bed, and you're not gonna have any problems with overhangs. This all the joints in the model print perfectly fine, and they're not really snug, so it's a really print in place and it's gonna turn out awesome. As you can see, it will take 4 hours and 21 minutes and it's gonna use 27 grams of filament. I hope you enjoyed the video. Happy printing to all of you guys, and bye-bye.
I hope you guys enjoy it. Those slicing videos are an initiative from STL Academy, which is the educational project from STLflix. So if you guys want to learn more about 3D printing, you could check our description and look at STL Academy courses. And don't forget, see you guys at the next slicing.